Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens Loop. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has always been a favorite for creators wanting cinematic quality in a compact, easy-to-use package. While previous models offered solid upgrades, the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to be a serious leap, potentially redefining what a pocket-sized camera can do. If early leaks are true, it's not just a minor update, but a major overhaul in design, performance, image quality, and usability. Let's dive into everything we know so far about DJI's most powerful pocket camera yet. One of the standout rumors centers around the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger screen, an improved 1-inch sensor, incredible 4K 240 frames per second recording, better autofocus, and AI-enhanced features. The goal is clear: professional-grade performance for creators seeking cutting-edge video in a compact form. Expect a slightly larger frame, weigh around 190 grams. This likely accommodates a more expansive 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the Pocket 3's 2-inch display. This new screen is rumored to offer 480 by 800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness for better outdoor visibility. Improved button placement and an ergonomic grip texture are also anticipated for more comfortable extended use. Under the hood, the Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens, promising sharper image quality and significantly better low-light performance. The ISO range should extend from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, enhancing performance in challenging lighting. Color fidelity is set to improve with 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, offering greater flexibility for color grading. Autofocus upgrades may include phase detection and eye tracking, reducing focus hunting issues from the Pocket 3. A new, more powerful processor is rumored to handle larger data rates, enhance computational photography, and enable real-time HDR previews. Streamlining content creation, smart features are also getting a boost. A key upgrade is a rumored ActiveTrack 7.0, combining phase detection and eye tracking for more accurate subject tracking, ensuring smoother, more reliable focus on fast-moving subjects. The gimbal stabilization system is also rumored to receive a significant boost, blending mechanical and advanced electronic stabilization for ultra-smooth footage, even in high-motion scenarios. In terms of performance, the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to deliver game-changing capabilities, highlighted by 4K video at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3. Its 1-inch sensor promises sharper details, superior low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. Battery life is crucial, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to offer significant improvements. A more efficient power management system could enable longer recording sessions. Fast charging is another key upgrade. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 will support a 25-minute full charge using DJI's PD charger, a notable improvement. Heat management is also rumored to improve, allowing for extended recording without overheating. A game changer for long shoots or hot conditions. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027. Following DJI's 3-year release cycle, its enhanced features position it as a premium tool for serious creators. Since these details are based on leaks and rumors, it's wise to wait for DJI's official announcement. However, if even half of these rumored features come true, the Pocket 4 could truly be a game changer for portable video production. So, what features are you most excited about for DJI Pocket 4? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. DJI seems poised to shake up the action camera world once again, and we'll bring you all the official details as soon as they drop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.